So hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2149, that is rearrange array elements by sign, and I'll explain the question very easily. That for example we're given this array 3 1 minus 2 5 2 and minus 4. So what we have to do that every at every even index a positive number should be present, and at every odd index a negative number should be present. Okay, so it's a pretty basic thing. Like if we are having 3 1 minus 2 minus 5 2 minus 4, the resultant array should look like 3 2, and also the relative order of the positive and negative number should be maintained. Okay, so it's a basic two pointer question. So let's have a result array that is equal to new int of size nums dot length, and then what we'll be doing is, okay, so now we'll have two pointers, one for the positive number, and as we know that we need to keep need to keep positive numbers of the zeroth, like first positive number should be present on the zeroth index, and first negative number should be present on the first index. Okay, so then we'll traverse in the nums array, that is for that for end num and nums. What we'll be doing is we'll be checking that if my number is less than 0, that means it should be present at negative index. So what I'll be doing, I'll be setting result num result at negative index should be equal to num, and then I'll be setting my negative pointer to 2 points ahead. Else what I'll be doing is I'll be doing result, and at the positive index I'll be setting my number positive is equal to num, and then I'll be moving the positive pointer 2 points ahead, and at the end I'll just return result. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, num, sorry. Yeah, now let's run it. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.